is here, and today I'm going to educate you on the Game Gear Group.
Shoryuken! Hadouken!
They do pictures of video games, they do trading video games, they talk about video games, and they absolutely love video games. So if you do all those things, and like pandas, you will love the Game Gear Group. They have a Facebook channel, here in the description, and here.
Shoryuken!
And they have a
Hadouken!
YouTube channel, which is
Shoryuken!
in the
Hadouken!
description below as well. So check out them. They're a really cool bunch of guys. They're just, the admins are really cool. Like the people who started the group are really cool. Every person on there is just a gamer, and they think like a gamer, talk like a gamer. They know lots of games. So if you're a true gamer, which all of you probably are, and you love games, even if you just want to talk about games, not even if you don't even want to talk about them, just have a chat with gamers. Just go on that site, because there's lots of gamers for you to meet. Maybe you can find a new friend. Anyway, guys, now it's been a short episode or video. So like, subscribe, check out my other videos. Stay cool and stay epic. Peace.